Hello, I'm Shaun. I'm an occupational therapist. I work for a company called Theraposture. We're delighted to be able to now offer personalised video assessments. This can involve family members, carers, clients, occupational therapists, anyone that needs to be involved within the assessment to do it. We can do this on a number of different video platforms depending what suits the individuals and their clients, and this is a risk-free, no-contact way of being able to do assessments. We have on our website, theraposture.co.uk, we have a booking app which you can choose a time and date to be able to carry out the assessments. These are personalised assessments. It's an excellent, very, very efficient way of working to get everybody together to have a look at the products and assess at the same time. So do go onto our website, have a look at our booking app, book something, we can get it arranged for you. Thank you very much for watching, and I've been Shaun from Theraposture.